Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica Chapman. I am a board certified rheumatologist practicing in upstate New York. Today I'm going to help you self-inject Yuflyma. So some of you may have noticed that since April 1st of 2024 that your medication called Humira is being converted over to a medication called Yuflyma. This is a biosimilar medication, so it's kind of like Humira, but not exactly, but very, very similar to the medication. It is used to treat the same diagnoses as Humira. So let's get to it. Before you start any injection, it's important to have all your gear ready to go before starting any. You'll want something to wash your hands, something to wash your skin, the actual medication, and a sharps container. Your medication you'll want to have taken out of the fridge approximately 30 minutes to 60 minutes prior to the injection. You want to make sure that it's not expired, and you also want to make sure that the medication doesn't look tainted. So if you see something like particles or it looks cloudy, you'll definitely not want to inject with that particular pen. I would put it aside and contact your provider for a sample or also your specialty pharmacy to dispense a replacement. So let's say we're all good with this. First thing you'll want to do is wash your hands. This is supposed to represent skin, so you'll use an alcohol prep pad to cleanse your skin. You want to do that in a circular fashion. So a good spot would be either your thigh, your upper arm, like your deltoid, or around your belly button, but at least 2 inches away from the belly button. So you'll want to let the alcohol dry a bit, and then you'll want to take the medication. You remove the safety cap, and you'll want to hold your pen. You want to pinch the skin, and then at a 90-degree angle, press. This is a self-activated pen, so there's no clicking. 1, 2, 3. You'll want to stay like this for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll hit, and then you'll hear another click, and that's when you know you're done. You let go. There may be a drop or two of blood. That's perfectly normal. If this happens, simply put a Band-Aid. I hope this video was informative and that you have the tools and knowledge necessary to self-inject Yuflyma at home. If you have any general rheumatology questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And also, if you have any ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below as well. I'll see you next week. Have a wonderful day.